Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Gisela here. I'm recording this video to show you how to use this website, Just the Word. It's a very useful tool for you to find good collocations to use in your essays. So with Claudia, you have been working with the COCA, that's the Corpus of American English. This website, Just the Word, is based on the British National Corpus, okay? Just for you to know. So we have three options here. The option combinations gives us all the different possible combinations that we have for the word. And then we have alternatives from thesaurus and alternatives from learner errors. These two give us, well, alternatives to a certain phrase. For this one, we need to type two words, okay? You will see in a minute. So let's check this one. We type any word, such as effect, we click on combinations, and we are going to get on our left a very long list of possible combinations with the word effect. They are divided by different categories related to part of speech and syntactic function, yes? And here on your right, you have a summary of those categories. We have the word effect as a verb and the word effect as a noun, okay? It's important to have that in mind. As in the COCA, we have the frequency, also shown by the green bar. And if we click on the phrase, we have this section that's called keyword in context. The downside of just the word is that we don't have any information related to the origin of these sample sentences. So we have to be careful about register, but it's still useful. Okay, let's go back here. An interesting feature of just the word is that all the different concordances are divided in different clusters, or rather they are grouped in clusters depending on meaning. So let's see, for example, let's take a look at the adjectives here. Adjectives for the word effect. Look at cluster 1. We have considerable, important, obvious, powerful, profound, significant, right? They are related to the strength of the effect. But look at cluster 2. Adverse effect, damaging effect, destructive effect, harmful effect, they are all negative. So this is very useful when we are looking for a certain collocation with a certain meaning, right? We need to find, well, negative effects. We can take a look here. So you will find many different clusters, and towards the end, this section unclustered. Here you have different collocations that are not related to each other. Let's see, biological, different effect, gravitational effect, intended effect, yes? Okay, but let's see. Imagine that you have the phrase bad effects, but you want to change the word bad. That's when you can click here, yes, in alternatives. So let's check that. Here we have two parts, replacing the word effect in the phrase bad effect and replacing bad in bad effect. This is what we are interested in, right? Here we have on the top part, we have, well, bad result, bad management, bad mood, bad practice, yes? And here we have what we want, for example, harmful effects, adverse effects, look at that frequency, negative effect, damaging effect. Of course, they do not mean the same, exactly the same. So it's still good to check on a dictionary. Well, that's just the word. It's a good alternative to the COCA since it's a bit easier to use and it's very convenient when you're working on your phone. I hope that this was useful and that you can use just the word not only in process writing, but also in the other courses in our program. I'm going to upload some activities for you to practice using this. That's it. Bye bye. Thank you.